It's kind of flooded in Bangkok. Everyone's walking. And right now, you can see in the back, we're giving a whole lot of people. Oh yeah, you too. Hello. We're giving a lot of people a ride to major rotation in the back of the pickup truck, where they cannot go otherwise. And Pat's driving.
Hello.
Being like all cool, like, look at me.
Yeah.
I'm flood driver man.
Flood driver man.
Oh yeah.
Yes I am.
They're unloading all the goods to be dispersed to the people. Have a lot of rice.
Hey Bob.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing? I'm throwing water today.
Feeling good about yourself?
Of course.
Alright, good. This is probably going to your blog too, huh?
The whole truck was unloaded and it's a lot of water. Make space for more supplies. Everyone's moving everything. Apparently it's going to be a really big operation here today. Well, after loading a boat in our truck and before we're ready to start distributing all the goods, right now we're loading up our pickup truck with food and water. Alright, so we have arrived at our destination. We're about to give everyone free food and water. And as you can see, we're kind of knee-deep in water. Hi there! Hello! We have a little boat so we can transport some of the stuff to different soils, different areas. Oh, you got a truck full of food there too. As you can see, yes, the area is pretty flooded.
ตรงสี่แยกเกษตรได้ไหมครับ
ตรงสี่แยกเกษตรได้ไหมคะ
Oh, we're not in an especially high vehicle, so this is kind of scary. Because there's absolutely nothing left of the sidewalk. Anywhere. Well, we're almost at the intersection, and I really hope we're gonna make it because there's, oh, you can't see that, but there's actually water on the floor now, leaking in. Yeah, you like that? Yeah. Good and higher suspension too. Cassette intersection.
พี่ครับ
This is
ที่
where
จะอยู่ทางดีวิภาวดีเนี่ยไหว
I used to live not that long ago, so I'm kind of glad that I moved.
ออกไปทางนี้แล้ววันเวกลับมา